You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression and what it means, as well as how to say more Latin expressions as well, so make sure to stay tuned. The meaning of this expression in Latin from Latin is "the truth never perishes or never dies." How do you say it in English? Veritas numquam perit. In Latin, classical Latin, Veritas numquam perit. Veritas numquam perit, or Veritas numquam perit. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.